Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how to make Boomerang on Snapchat. There is a simple trick to make Boomerang on Snapchat. For this you need to open your Play Store and on search bar type Snapchat. You need to update the latest version of the Snapchat. Now open your Snapchat. Now record the video. After recording the video, turn off the sound of the video. Now, from this option you can make loop. After looping the video, you can make Boomerang on Android. It's the only method from which you can make Boomerang-like video on Snapchat on Android. If you like the tutorial, hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.